Hi there, today we're going to talk about why the Lamborghini Huracan is the best exotic car that you can buy. Lamborghini is a brand that has been synonymous with exotic sports cars for decades now, and the Huracan is their latest offering. Let's dive into the reasons why this car is truly exceptional. Firstly, let's talk about the design. The Huracan is a stunningly beautiful car with a low-slung, aggressive stance that commands attention wherever it goes. Its sharp lines and angular bodywork give it a futuristic and otherworldly appearance. The doors that open up towards the sky and the rear spoiler that rises at high speeds are signature Lamborghini features that give the car an unmistakable look. It's no wonder that many people consider the Huracan to be one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Next, let's talk about the interior. Lamborghini has spared no expense when it comes to the Huracan's interior. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials such as leather and Alcantara, which is a suede-like material used in high-end cars. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the dashboard is packed with features such as a touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Huracan's interior is a luxurious and comfortable place to be, even when driving at high speeds. Now let's talk about performance. The Huracan is powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that sends power to all four wheels. This combination allows the Huracan to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The Huracan's handling is also exceptional, with precise steering and a suspension that keeps the car planted to the road even when taking corners at high speeds. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience. Driving a Lamborghini Huracan is a thrill like no other. The sound of the V10 engine is intoxicating, and the feeling of acceleration as the car launches forward is a rush of adrenaline. The car's handling inspires confidence, and it's easy to feel like a professional driver when behind the wheel. Whether driving on the street or the track, the Huracan provides an unforgettable experience that few other cars can match. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Huracan is an exceptional car in every way. From its stunning design to its luxurious interior and unparalleled performance, the Huracan is truly the best exotic car that you can buy. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking for the ultimate driving experience or simply want to own one of the most beautiful and powerful cars ever made, the Huracan is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.